Tired of CRMs that feel more like data entry prisons than sales accelerators? Let's dive into why Close CRM is often hailed as the best CRM for sales, and how it can revolutionize your team's productivity in just 90 seconds. First up, Close CRM is built by salespeople for salespeople. Notice the clean interface. It's all about action, no cluttered menus, just the tools you need to close deals. The core of Close is its all-in-one communication suite. You can make calls, send SMS messages, and fire off emails directly from the platform. This built-in calling feature is a game-changer. Click-to-call, automated call logging, and even voicemail drops streamline your outreach process. This is how you make more calls faster. And the integrated SMS, perfect for quick follow-ups, appointment reminders, and nurturing leads on the go. Think about how much time you'll save avoiding switching between multiple apps. Email tracking is another essential. See exactly when prospects open your emails, click on links, and engage with your content. This real-time data informs your follow-up strategy and boosts your chances of conversion. Finding the right information fast is crucial. Close CRM's powerful search capabilities let you quickly locate leads, deals, and communication history with ease. Say goodbye to wasted time digging through endless records. Insightful reporting is key to understanding your sales performance. Close CRM provides customizable dashboards and reports that track your key metrics, identify trends, and highlight areas for improvement. Ultimately, Close CRM empowers your sales team to connect with more leads, manage their pipeline efficiently, and close more deals. It's about simplifying the process and focusing on what matters most, building relationships and driving revenue. Ready to see if Close CRM is the right fit for your team? Check out the link in the description to start your free trial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sales CRM insights.